Thanks guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I love the support you guys have given to my last 3 videos. You can go ahead and utilize the comment section and let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today I'll be making for you guys some veggie fruit smoothie. Very quick, easy and simple. So just go ahead and join me in the kitchen. Okay guys, today I'll be making for you a fruit veggie smoothie. This smoothie consists of 3 layers. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I achieve each layer. I know that I normally explain all the ingredients before I start the recipe, but this week I'm just going to go ahead and explain to you as I go along. So here we go. The first layer is going to consist of beetroot and watermelon, frozen watermelon. So half cup beetroot and 2 cups watermelon. We all know beetroot is considered a vegetable. It's very rich in iron and fiber, and it's overall good for you. So if you're anemic and you have like high blood pressure or anything like that, beetroot is a good vegetable to add to your diet. So we're going to blend the watermelon, 2 cups frozen watermelon and half cup beetroot together, and we're not going to add any water to it. As we all know, watermelon consists of a lot of water, about 90% water, and water is not necessary for this. We want the smoothie to be thick and nice. So here we go. Okay, so for the second layer, we're going to go ahead and we're going to use pineapples. Here we have 1 cup frozen pineapple. We're going to use another cup regular pineapple. It hasn't been frozen. Just cut and peel. And then we're going to use half cup passion fruit juice. As you realize, I'm not using water because this is a natural smoothie. You don't add any sugar or anything to it, and you want it to have a thick consistency because we're going to make a layered fruit smoothie. And you know pineapple. Okay, and now we're about to make the final layer of our drink. We have half cup frozen veggies, and this is just some frozen string beans with some frozen spinach. We're using half cup. Some don't want to come out there. And we have 1 cup cucumber. This cucumber is at room temperature. We're using half cup yogurt. And we're going to add a ripe banana to this. Now this is just to get the texture. Banana is also rich in potassium. Cucumber and string bean has iron. They also have antioxidants that is good for your health, good for your immune system. And this smoothie is very good if you are also working out or you want to lose weight. Here again, we don't add water to it, we just shake it up a little bit. The cucumber has a lot of water in it, and we just go ahead and blend. Okay, so now here we have all 3 individual smoothies. This is the beetroot and lemon, this is the pineapple and passion, and this is our veggie smoothie. Okay guys, here we have our final product. This is what it looks like, and I'm just about to go ahead and taste it for you guys. Tastes really good. Like the watermelon and the beetroot give it a refreshing flavor. The pineapple and the passion fruit is kind of sweet, tangy. And at the top, you don't really taste the banana that much because it's like the vegetable, it takes away the taste of the banana and everything, but it's just like a lot of flavors in this drink. It tastes really good. Okay guys, so this is how we make it. You can go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Something very different. Again, a very creative way to use your greens. You can see you get a combination of colors. Reggae color, Rastafarian color, whatever you want to call it. The red beetroot, your yellow pineapple and passion, and your green veggies. Looks very attractive and it tastes very good too. So just go ahead and try those and let me know what you think. See you next week with another crazy idea.